Word problems with reduced form. In this problem, we will read a word problem and we will use these steps listed on the side to help us successfully solve. The problem states John has 12 blue pens and 3 orange pens in his sewing kit. How do you write the fraction of the pens that are blue in lowest terms? We remember from previous lessons that first we need to create our fraction. We do this by finding out how many pens John has in total. To find out, he has 12 blue pens plus 3 orange pens, which means he has 15 pens total in his sewing kit. The question asks, what fraction of the pens are blue in lowest terms? We know that John has 12 blue pens, so the total fraction is 12/15. This is what we need to reduce. Step number 2 says divide by the greatest common factor to reduce. The factors are 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. The factors of 15 are 1 and 15, 3 and 5. The greatest common factor between the two is 3. Our next step will be to divide by the greatest common factor to find out the reduced form of 12/15. 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. So the reduced fraction of the pens that are blue in lowest terms is 4/5.